Hey everyone. Went riding with a mate yesterday and had battery troubles all day until we got him a new battery. Turns out he hadn't been using his bike very much at all, and that's why it had gone flat. And dropped the cell and just had to jump start it the whole time. So it got me thinking about my bike. I ride mine a fair bit, but I don't want to have battery troubles when I go away. So I went out and bought a battery monitor, if you can see. This thing goes to an app which goes directly to your phone, so you can always check what your battery's up to. And if you leave your bike in the garage for a month or whatever like that, and you're within range to Bluetooth this thing to your phone, it'll automatically upload via the app so you can check it out, what it's actually doing. I've also bought a dodgy stand thing for my phone, and I'm really hoping that my phone don't fall over today. Anyway, we'll put this on. It's supposed to be pretty easy to put on. Just positive and negative, and load the app up and we'll check it out. So let's put it on. I'm not going to show you how to pull your bike apart because it's pretty much for any bike, doesn't matter. I'll just wire this thing up to mine and we'll go through and check it out. I've opened up the box. I'll show you what's inside the box. Just this little thing like that. Got wires, whatever. Positive, negative. Comes with an idiot manual. And it says on the back here, receive notifications of battery condition via Bluetooth range, check vehicle cranking system automatically while engine is starting, blah blah blah, all the crap that you want to know. Here it is now. See? But we've got an idiot manual, so when we stuff it up, we'll work it out. Okay everyone, you got your positive, negative, you know all how it works. This just goes like that, plugs into there like that, goes into there like that. That one just goes in there like that. Try not to electrocute yourself. Pop that one in there like that. That one like that. And supposedly it's as easy as that. So, test it out. Righto, apparently what we've got to do is QR scan the thing on the front, and that will automatically put the app there. Unable to connect. Why? Connected. 18%. Low power. Righto. Let's go to the device thing. Go there. See? it's slowly going up in percentage, so I don't know what's going on there, but that's alright. We'll let it do its thing and come back to it. Give it, I don't know, 20 minutes. Should come up higher power than that. But it's good because it's sitting at 12.94 volts and I haven't started the bike today. So that's pretty good. Battery's holding a nice charge. Yeah, cool. Righto, we just seen it came up with low power. That's because the device itself, this thing here, is charging up itself. So once that's charged, because that must have a little battery thing inside, once that's done, then we should be able to run this thing as per normal. Seems to be okay. Let's have a look. Let's check it out. But yeah, you can see where my battery's sitting at 12.97, 70% now. It was only, what, 18 or 20% before. Then you've got your little graph down the bottom. So the thing's fine, the battery's okay. 12.93 volts. What does that do? Idle condition test. Start engine. Righto, let's try that out. Start testing. Got to turn the bike on, I suppose. Start testing. There we go. Everything seems to be looking good. Okay. While we're at it, I'll show you the inverter that I put in the other week, which I filmed, but I lost all the footage. So, pardon all the junk in the back of the toolbox. Anyway. So I put a 300 watt inverter, hard mounted it in, ran it via a Anderson plug, which you just plug straight into that one. And that's it. Plug it in. Turn it on. There we go. We've got 240 volt power. Okay. Ran it straight down through the bike with all the other stuff. Straight down into the battery. Down in there, which you would have seen the big red and black. Powered it into there. Okay. I didn't run a fuse. And there's a good reason I didn't run a fuse. And everyone will say you need to have a fuse on the inverter and so on, but there's a reason I didn't. Anyway, it should have, inverters got a built-in fuse into it anyway. So, what I was going to do, if for whatever reason I end up with a flat battery or battery failure, I've got a jump pack, which I'm going to cut off. They normally have alligator connections. I'm going to cut them off, put another Anderson plug on it. That way I can jump straight into the battery of the bike. That way I don't have to dismantle half the bike or take the seat off and then take all the rubbish off, junk off, solely to get at the battery. I thought that's going to be my easiest way to do it. It's in a tool pack, it's up the top, so hopefully that works, which that'll be next thing I do after we sort out this thing here. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you that. Just an easy way for me to have power on the bike. Yeah, see what happens when you leave your glasses near the fire, they drop on the ground. Yeah, so everything seems to be working really well. I don't know what it cost. It was like 25 bucks or something. 30 bucks. Works a treat. So all I can say is these things are unreal. Go buy yourself one. Oh, this stupid thing. I'm going to buy myself another selfie stick. This little thing here. Great little device. Oh, right there. Great little device, worth the 25-30 bucks that they cost. Took about 2 or 3 days to turn up in the mail, so I'll leave a link down below of where I bought this thing from. We're going to get a storm in a minute, so I'm going to cut that pretty short. Don't forget, like and subscribe, all that crap. Just do it. I'll catch you next time.